There's a beautiful dove on the power line. It was closer in my backyard, and then it flew over to the house next to me. Gonna zoom in on its beautiful eyes and face. Yeah, God made that beautiful little creature. Aw, so cute. Anyways, I wanted to say I'm going to be doing a video every day in August. Today is August the 1st, 2014. And it's VEDA. So, VEDA stands for Video Every Day in August. And I'm also going to mix my regular videos. I mean, if I feel like putting an extra in or so, I'll just mix them in like I normally do. It's windy. It's very windy out. What I wanted to say, I'm going to be doing, in case you didn't hear me because of the wind, a video every day in August. And I'm going to be mixing my videos in between the VEDA ones. So this is going to be a VEDA one, my first one for August. He's looking right at me. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching, and for more like this, subscribe and give a thumbs up and share.